Alright, so did you get the acronym? It's IOC. IOC stands for Innovation and Organizational Change. And what we're primarily focused on here is understanding the definition of managing IOC. So if you recall, the purpose of the IOCMI, which is our management institute, we're really focused on our mission, which is to set a bunch of standards in how to manage innovation and organizational change. And the way we're going to do this is to get support for these standards, which is why we're just absolutely delighted that you're doing this course with us, because it's showing us that you support what we're doing. So I'm happy if you share this course. But that's really what we're about as a management institute, is sharing an idea on a bunch of standards in terms of how to manage innovation and organizational change. So the other thing, hopefully, that you've remembered from this definition lecture is that we distinguish between organizational change and change management. So change management is managing the people side of change, whereas organizational change is managing everything related to the organization, from strategy to policies to delegation of authority, governance to processes to value chains to structures. All right? Because when you create innovation, you'll typically be affecting all of those structures. So what happens is, when you innovate, truly innovate, you end up affecting the entire organization structures. Now, it's managing the organizational change because of the impact of that innovation that we really want to set principles and practices for. Because generally, when you affect organizational transformation, you're affecting potentially tens of thousands of people, never mind hundreds of thousands of stakeholders.